Hi guys, it's Katie. I am going to film today because I can. Because bathroom renovation is done. It's Friday morning and we're going through a maze of hallways and doors. I gotta get the baby dressed and then we can start our day. You want a smoothie? I guess I'm making smoothies for breakfast. I wanted to show you the bathroom before I went downstairs. And my son's in here playing with the faucet. You can actually reach it now because it's not like the super deep tub. Let's see if I can show you our new bathroom. I love it. I am so happy with everything. Everything is new in here. New floor, new vanity, new medicine cabinet, new paint, new toilet, new tub. But I love it. You can kind of see the shower there like that. There's the vanity. It's a little bigger. Like I think it's a little taller than the one we had. And I think the toilet's a little smaller, so different proportions, but I just got to get used to it. And then there's 3 drawers on each side. Before we only had 2, so and I didn't keep a lot of things in there because there was a lot of water damage. And we got a new toilet with it's a dual flush, which is kind of an upgrade we asked for. They kind of threw it in at no additional charge, or it was all wrapped in the base price. So dual flush saves some water, which is nice because we use a lot of water. Flushing the toilet so much. And then they're still got to put the towel hooks. That's the last thing. They'll hopefully get that done today. And here's the tub. Everything's brand new. I really love this tile. When we picked out the stuff, they were asking us all these options, and my husband and I were like very we didn't care. It could be as boring as it needs to be in here. We're just like whatever gray, whatever gray, whatever gray. But then we picked this tile out of like a couple different options, and I really like it. I'm really happy with it. And we got this big fancy shower head thing with the handheld thing, and then this big rain thing. I don't know what it's called. But an actual tub that we can actually take a bath in. The caulk was still curing last night, so probably tonight will be the first use of the tub for the kids. I don't know. I still have to get a shower curtain, and I want to get some new towels and a new mat. Because this bathroom, it's completely different color scheme than it was before. It was like brownish before, and now it's gray, and I think my towels don't look so great. But I was looking for like a green shower curtain and then green like accessories, because everything in my house has to be green. But a lot of the green things have like brown tones, so like when I was looking on Target and Amazon and stuff. So I was thinking, since everything's kind of gray and neutral in here, I might do bright colors, like maybe rainbow colors. We'll see. I was thinking of maybe getting Turkish towels, since we'll have 4 towel hooks here, and that way, when towels are hanging on hooks rather than spread out on towel bar, they don't dry nearly as quickly. So I think the Turkish towels will dry more quickly, and there's lots of really beautiful colors. So my husband already uses a Turkish towel, and he loves it. So trying to keep track of everybody. Okay, so that's the bathroom. Oh, and there's also a light up here. We didn't have a light in the shower before, and I really love it because if you don't need it super bright, like if you're coming here at night, there we go. If you're just coming in here at night and you have just a little bit of light, and I think it'll be even more dim once we get the shower curtain up. But then if you need some more light, you got tons of light. And then the all-important blue canary in the outlet by the light switch. Alright, smoothie time! Where's the baby? Okie dokie! So my kitchen's a mess. I was making some soap yesterday. It's actually right there, you can see it. I've done a couple batches of soap, and this one I will cut today and show you. This one is super exciting because this one is kale and carrot, and it's got kale and carrot in it. But I had run out of colorant, and I wanted to make another batch of soap, and I was reading online about natural colors, so I had some kale stems and I juiced them and used that in the lye water, and then I also made some carrot juice in my juicer, and then I swirled them together. The carrot came to trace much quicker. I think the temperatures were off differently, so I don't know. I tried to swirl it. These colors, they were more different when I poured this, but as it's cured, they've become very similar. So you can kind of see. I also put dill in the green portion, because that was another idea to get these kind of cool little flecks. And so I still have all my dishes because they're a lot easier to wash if you let them kind of turn to soap inside. So So I have to wash those and put all my oils away and stuff like that. And then I'll give you a sneak peek. Ooh, come here. Of the other soap that I made. And you can see why I ran out of colorants, because I use them all in these soaps. So I have this in a separate video, and then I'm going to do another project roundup. I'm so excited. I'll be able to do a project roundup every month for the last couple of months, since I'm actually doing things. So I have at least this soap and this soap to show, and I have a few things I've been crocheting. But anyway, I am about to make a smoothie. I'm going to put some avocado in it because I don't have any bananas. I have some frozen fruit and almond milk, maybe some flaxseed. Alright, I gotta make a spot on my counter. Oh yeah, I was canning too, so I got all my canning stuff out. Didn't my mama teach me to put one project away before I got another one out? Obviously not. Hey, look at you up there. Alright. So, I don't know. I made a smoothie yesterday and I put it in my nutrition calculator and it was 855 calories. I put a lot of peanut butter in it. Probably too much peanut butter, and it was really thick because I put so much peanut butter in it. But it was delicious. Alright, avocado going in. I got these avocados at Aldi. Aldi and Lidl have avocados. They both have avocados for 49 cents because of Super Bowl, I guess, this week and last week. So after, it's been like a year where I've been having trouble finding avocados for $1 or less. I used to be able to find them all the time for 69 cents or 79 cents, 89 cents. They have been so overpriced lately, but somehow magically on Super Bowl week they're able to be 49 cents. Some frozen fruit. I watched a video, Angela's mom making smoothie with sweet potato, like cooked sweet potato. I'm definitely going to try that. I got the organic sweet potatoes from Lidl, are so nice. They're so delicious, and I just put them in the pressure cooker. There's 152 grams of avocado. And then this is tropical mixed fruit, strawberries, pineapples, peaches, and mangoes. Let's see what a serving is. 140 grams. Well, that's all strawberries. Mango. Peach too, huh? Alright. 160 grams of frozen fruit. Grams of flaxseed, 240 milliliters of almond milk. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's thick. Alright, here's our smoothies. That's what the big girl is having. Alright, so I just punched in all of my ingredients for my smoothie, popped out all the macros, 476 calories, a lot better than 855. And then it's got the macros here. It's a little high on the fat because of the avocado, but that avocado was good. And I usually put banana in to make it sort of thick and creamy, and that's high in carbs, so whatever, it's all a wash, I guess. But it was good, and that's a, you know, a decent breakfast, I think. So, this is the website I use, Spark People. Worked out really well for me in the past, so we're doing it again. Already lost some weight, so pretty happy about that. Alright, so just cleaning up my mess here a little bit, and then we'll cut into that soap. It's probably not going to be as striking as I want it to be, but, you know, natural colors, and apparently cold processed soap is, I need a mason jar, is, there's certain, even regular colors that just don't do well. Okay. Just trying to see the measurements on the Vitamix picture. So so I knew what size jar to get. Okay. Putting some leftover smoothie away. Oh man. Okie dokie, let's cut some soap, huh? Let's see. This one was just coconut oil, olive oil, and palm oil. And it's nice and hard. It hardened up really fast. So like I said, the orange color was much thicker. And so I put that in first, and then I poured the green in kind of from a height so it would cut through that a little bit. And then I just swirled it with a spatula like that, and then down that way. I lost a little bit there. It's still in the mold. Wonder if I can put that back in. Let's see, I have my crinkle cutter. That's the one that's like my favorite now. So yeah, I guess I'll just even this up and cut that little dinged corner off. See how swirly it is inside. I mean, not bad for vegetables that I pulled out of my fridge. Oh, flecks are cool. What that one looks like. That's pretty cool, right? I did soap with cocoa before, and also coffee. And the colors, you know, they look pretty vibrant when it's in the pot, and then they look a little bit less when they're in the bar, and then they probably will fade pretty significantly, but anyway. Handmade soap is handmade soap. It doesn't have to be. That one's kind of cool. I've got some decent swirling. You just can't see it very well. That's cool. There's the last one. So anyway, the fragrance I used, I put this in the orange part, and then I put this in the green part. And they smell pretty good individually, and they smell good together too. So that's what my house smells like right now. Alright, so it's just 10 o'clock. I've already had a few meltdowns, so that might do it for today. A vlog that ends at 10 o'clock, but anyway, take care of my children and maybe hopefully get out of the house since we've been kind of trapped in here with the construction workers. Anyway, keep your eye out for my next soap video. I show that rainbow swirl soap, like making it and cutting it. So anyway, hope you have a good day. I will see you guys next time.